What's up? I just want to talk about my Sony WF-1000XM3s. God, Sony, why do you name your products like this? Anyway, I've had these for close to, oh my God, probably 3 years now. I mean, a long time. I've had them a very, very long time, and they're still going strong. And I just want to say these are great. If you find these used, you can easily repair them by replacing the batteries. The batteries may have run down on original ones, but they're easily repairable. There are videos on it. And another thing that I had happen is one of my buds, my right bud, started making a high-pitched sound. It seems to have stopped, and I think taking it apart and putting it back together seems to have resolved it. I think it was picking up some sort of noise, and on noise canceling mode, I was making a high-pitched whine, and it seems to have stopped as well. Overall, I love these things, and if you see them, pick them up, watch a video on how to replace the batteries, pop new ones in, and you're good to go. These are great, and I wish more buds were repairable like this because, well, why throw away a perfectly paired good headphones if the batteries have died? Right to repair is essential. See ya. Bye.